Welcome to DelfStack. In today's tutorial, we will explore various methods to create empty files using the command line in Ubuntu. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video is tailored for you. Let's create an empty file using the touch command. As you can see, the file has been created. Let's open it to confirm. Next, we will create an empty file using the greater than operator. Let's check the file again. It should be there and is still empty. Finally, let's use the echo command to do the same. The file has been successfully created. Let's verify it once more. Thank you for watching this DelfStack tutorial on creating empty files in Ubuntu. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Check out our other videos on file management and command line tips.